Napaselebrate na lamang ang anyang dito. Dakdak dito, lipad dito. Grabeng hassle ba naman ginawa ni Renz Abando. Sa kabilang banda, bakit na bad trip itong si Carl Tamayo? So tara't ating saksihan ang ilang naganap sa laban ng anyang Jungkwan dyan ng Red Boosters kontra dito sa team ng Changwon LG Sakers.
O'Brien averages 16.2 personal 6.1 for Ji-hoon Park, and it's a 6-0 lead for Ryan. And then that's the kind of spot up position. So misses but that season series over by the Shakers 3-2 versus O'Brien. Mare working his way inside. Terrific. Does have 5 rebounds already and 3 assists. Tough shot. Just so you guys know, there are about close to 50 games played already by both teams, including 1 rebound, 1 assist. Anyang is near Seoul, while Changwon bomb for Renz Abando, giving oh, nice. 7. Mare against a quadruple team and still got. Here's a nice catch again. He has the advantage here. Nice curl. Tamayo lays it in. Still no sighting of Renz Abando here in the second half. Seong Hee Han. This is to Yoon Jun Hyung. Nice fake. Beautiful fake by Kim. Get it. That's a clear travel. And he got away with it. Abando already in double digits with the Yoon Jun Hyung. That is his second 3 of the game, but a quick answer on the other end by Carl Tamayo. That's a
Sa huli, nagwagi ang team nitong sila Renz Abando.